The highlights about the traditional versus modern teachers is that traditional teachers are experts and information provider. Textbook is the main source of information and assessment is quantitative, while modern teachers are guide and facilitator. Resources, information are varied of print, video, internet, and etc. And assessment is quantitative and qualitative. The applicable is that traditional teachers are applicable in terms of their traditional assessment through the use of paper and pencil tests, while the modern teachers in terms of their authentic assessment through the purpose of field trips, portfolios, journals, and etc. The needs and improvement of the traditional teachers, as of nowadays, the traditional teachers are in need of improvements to be advanced and to be enhanced of teaching to more improvement. The traditional teachers, a modern teacher should be forgotten. The portfolios, the other assessment materials. So my reflection about the video one, the 21st century education, and the video two, the teaching in the 21st century, is that through this video, I am encouraged as an educator to be more creative and be effective to use or to ask as of a higher order thinking skills, the advantage proper of guidelines and usage of technology in teaching, and also as a modern students. Today, through computer technology, educators saw the application of learning along computer literacy. Modern students also nowadays can interact with computer messages